Hey guys, in this video, we're going to be checking out the top 5 best camping kitchen setups currently available on the market. Whether you're a weekend camper or an outdoor enthusiast, these products bring convenience and efficiency to your campsite. You can find the product links in the description below. So, let's dive in. Starting off at number 5, we have the Vivor Camping Kitchen Table. This product is all about maximizing space while staying portable and functional. It features a large aluminum tabletop, 3 zippered storage cupboards, hooks for utensils, and even a detachable windscreen for improved cooking performance in breezy conditions. The included lampstand is a thoughtful addition for night use. In terms of build quality, Vivor has used durable aluminum and MDF materials complemented by an X-shaped reinforced frame for stability, which performs well even on uneven terrain. Setup is quick and requires no tools, and the entire unit packs neatly into a carrying bag for easy transport. However, at 12.8 kilograms, it's heavier than some competing options. For $114.99, this kitchen table offers excellent storage and cooking space, ideal for family camping trips or outdoor barbecues. On the downside, the MDF countertop may not hold up to extended exposure to moisture, and the windscreen isn't as robust as others on the list. Still, if organization and versatility are your priorities, this is a solid choice. At number 4, we have the Wildfare Core 26-piece Complete Camp Kitchen Cook Set by Stanley. This is the ultimate all-in-one solution for campers who need cookware and tableware in one compact package. It includes a 4-quart pot with lid, an 8-inch fry pan, plates, bowls, utensils, and even a multifunctional cutting board. The clever nesting design ensures everything packs neatly for storage and transport. Stanley's reputation for durability shines here with rugged 18/8 stainless steel construction that's built to last. The fold and lock handles on the pot and pan are an excellent space-saving feature, and the BPA-free materials add peace of mind for health-conscious campers. While this set doesn't include a physical table or workstation, it's perfect for those who already have a cooking surface and need a complete cookware solution. Priced at $90, this set is a great value for campers looking for durability and compact design. However, it lacks storage racks or hooks found in larger setups, which may be a limitation for more elaborate camp kitchens. This set is ideal for minimalist campers or those who prioritize portability and ease of use over expansive cooking stations. Coming in at number 3 is the Pack-Away Portable Camp Kitchen by Coleman. This unit offers a fantastic balance of functionality and portability with a 31.5 x 21.3 inch food prep area and a sturdy 27.8 x 20.5 inch side table that accommodates most Coleman stoves and coolers. Handy utensil hooks and a mesh shelf provide additional storage space, making it a convenient choice for camping, tailgating, or backyard grilling. The folding design is one of the standout features, allowing the kitchen to collapse into a compact case for easy transport and storage. The aluminum and medium-density top materials are durable and lightweight, although the table can feel slightly less stable when fully loaded. At just over 13 pounds, it's easy to carry but doesn't sacrifice functionality. At $84, this kitchen is one of the most affordable options on our list, making it a great value for campers on a budget. While it lacks the advanced features of higher-end models like sinks or lantern poles, it's perfect for casual outdoor chefs who need a simple yet effective cooking station. At number 2, we have the GCI Outdoor Master Cook Station. If you're looking for a premium camping kitchen, this one is packed with features to make outdoor cooking feel like home. It includes 3 durable side tables, a soft shell sink for easy cleanup, a storage rack, and a telescoping lantern pole for nighttime visibility. The heat-resistant aluminum tabletop is perfect for safely using camp stoves. The design is well thought out with slim fold technology, allowing for quick and simple setup and takedown. The build quality is excellent, with alloy steel and aluminum materials that offer durability without being overly heavy. At 22.4 pounds, it's heavier than most options, but offers unmatched functionality for serious campers. Priced at $128, this is the most expensive product on our list, but it justifies the price with its premium features and sturdy construction. The soft-shell sink is a game-changer for camp kitchens, though it may not be as durable as hard-shell alternatives. If you're willing to invest in a high-end setup, this is the one to consider. And finally, at number 1, we have the GCI Outdoor Slim Fold Cook Station. This compact yet versatile camping kitchen is all about convenience and efficiency. It features a heat-resistant aluminum tabletop for safe stove use, 4 fold-out side tables for storage, a secure storage rack, and even hooks for utensils and trash bags. Whether you're tailgating, camping, or picnicking, this station has you covered. The Slim Fold technology makes setup and takedown a breeze, folding into a compact design that's easy to carry thanks to its built-in handle. At just 18.9 pounds, it's lightweight but sturdy, with a weight capacity of 48 pounds on the tabletop and 30 pounds on the side tables. The powder-coated alloy steel frame ensures durability while maintaining an attractive modern look. Priced at $80, this is the best value on our list, offering excellent features at a budget-friendly price. While it lacks the sink and lantern pole of the Master Cook Station, its portability and functionality make it the ideal choice for campers who want a reliable and affordable outdoor kitchen setup. Thanks for watching, guys. I hope you found this video helpful at selecting the best camping kitchen for your outdoor adventures. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe to our channel for more in-depth reviews and comparisons. If you have any questions about these products, leave a comment below, and I'll get back to you as soon as possible. Happy camping!